Hi guys, are you looking for the best rechargeable pet nail grinder? In this video we will show the best rechargeable pet nail grinder. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 rechargeable pet nail grinders you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the best rechargeable pet nail grinders from reputable brands. After much research I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dremel Pet Nail Grinding Kit. The Dremel Pet Nail Grinding Kit is a variable speed, rechargeable and cordless pet grooming tool that's safe and gentle on pets' nails. It is perfect for people who have never groomed their dog and can also provide easy grooming for the professional groomers too. With a 45 degrees nail guard, it ensures that you do not cut your pet's nails too short. Also, it catches the fur or any drop for easy cleanup. Easy to handle, lightweight and portable with a soft grip, giving pet grooming the convenience of any location. Lithium-ion 4-volt battery is also rechargeable through USB for continuous grooming and is stylishly designed. A variable speed slide switch allows grooming speed of animals to be changed in line with the size of the animal as well as the thickness of the nails. Attachments. The grooming kit comes with 9 items and a Dremel patented easy twist nose cap for easy accessory attachment. Even the grinder, the accessories, the USB charger, and the guides are compactly arranged to help the customer, and comes with a 2-year warranty. Number 2. Casfuy Dog Nail Grinder. This model, known as the Casfuy Dog Nail Grinder, is a professional digital rechargeable canine and feline grooming care equipment. Controlling the alternatives, there are 6 velocity settings from 700 to 12,000 RPM that make it easy to use by both new and experienced groomers. This greatly reduces time needed to set the correct speed in other sessions of using the device. The grinder has 3 grinding ports, small one for small animals and tiny ones, the second one medium size for mid-sized animals, and the third unprotected one for big dogs. 2 bulbs installed into the scissor head are affecting light, providing maximum visibility, enabling you to trim your pet safely without the risk of cutting the skin. These shavers are operated by a low violation motor and an innovative diamond grinding attached to offer a pleasant grooming session without straining the skin. Number 3. Toozey Dog Nail Grinder. The Toozey Dog Nail Grinder is a groomer's dream, as it is a powerful and professional grooming tool for use on all sizes of dogs. Equipped with a strong and powerful motor of 3 operational speeds, 8,000, 10,000, 12,000 RPM, it has what it takes to groom the nails of small, medium and large dogs with ease. This type of bearing structure provides smoother operation so that grinding is not uncomfortable. Nail file is protected with a transparent protective cover which ensures minimal spillage of nail dust, thus bringing into minimal concern of inhaling dust. The LED light helps identify the appropriate spot to trim accurately and will not grind too much since it is easily seen even under poor lighting. A bright LED status light ensures that users get quick understandings of the battery status for seamless use. Running on a long-lasting 2000 mAh lithium battery, the grinder smooths a bowl for 2.5 hours in one charge. That takes 2 hours of USB-C 1.5 meter cable charging. Number 4. Vywick Dog Nail Grinder. For this reason, a new Vywick Dog Nail Grinder is one of the best instruments for grooming your pet regardless of its size. It employs advanced diamond drum drills to perform very accurate and virtually hurtless nail trimming on your pet. There are 3 grinding ports and 2 speed modes, so this tool is suitable for small, medium and large animals and also for soft and thick nails. With a precision motor, this grinder produces less than 50 dB noise and 1.5 inches per second vibrations, hence do not endanger your pet through excessive noise and vibrations. It is compact and well designed, so it is easy to handle, and the battery operated, rechargeable design is very flexible and manageable. The provided trusty USB cable enables charging from your laptop, AC adapter, or a power bank, making it suitable for home or travel use. Whether it is your first time or you are a professional grooming your pet at home, this Vywick Dog Nail Grinder will ease the process. Number 5. Dog Nail Grinder Rechargeable Pet Nail Trimmer Kit. The Dog Nail Grinder Rechargeable Pet Nail Trimmer Kit is a multifunctional grooming tool for all sized pets. Its unique 360-degree ring LED light improves the visibility, so that one can safely and accurately trim the nail by illuminating the nail's bloodline. Lack of air vent also reduces dust circulation, protects grinder's motor from damage, and lowers audible frequency to comfort pets. This grinder comes with a magnetic motor and has an RPM range of between 50,000 and 20,000 RPM, and it has 5 adjustable speeds, making it suitable for use in nail care of small, medium, and large animals. Convenience is also seen because the device has a backup feature that remembers the last used speed. 2.0 A lithium battery allows longer use, and Type-C fast charging offers dependable power accentuated by compatibility with all USB devices. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.